This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, fine. Here, there is a complete task is pending from Megha, right? So task number 4 up to 6 tasks is there. So that moment, what will happen? Your marks will not get go forward. Okay, right? And then Lakshmi, only 2 tasks is completed. Task 1 and task 2, and task number 3 and task number 4 and 5 and 6 is pending here. Fine. See to that. Try to complete all the task files from today. Okay, right? So make sure with this. And then, Ritika, what about your pre-test? Is it completed? Ritika, are you here? I guess she's not. Okay, fine. And then what about Ankita? Have you uploaded your
Yes, sir.
document file? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have uploaded that.
Fine, fine, perfect. I appreciate. Okay, so I'll
Yes, sir.
just cross
Thank you.
verify. Yes, yes. Okay, and then Harika Rao. Still, task 1 is not done. Task 2 and task 3. Okay, so Ankita is done. Fine. Um, Merlin Rose, what about your task files? And have you completed your pre-test?
No, sir, I have to complete it.
Make sure this. Okay, right. So try to complete by today
Okay.
itself. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, you just see to that your marks should be very low. Okay, it is not started yet. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay,
then
sir.
okay, that's what. So see this task. Okay, how it will get help. Okay, for example, if you're going to take that what is a pre-test for that one time. Okay, in case if you got failed, or in case if you get low marks. Okay, right. So this task file it makes to get 100% result. Okay, that's what I'm
Oh,
pushing you people to
okay, sir.
complete the task. Okay, good, good, right. And Vaishnavi, mhm. Okay, it's not happening. So still, all the values are 0. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So you just make target from today. Okay, right. So complete all your tasks. Okay, up to 6. You keep that point. Up to 6, you can able to complete your task. And then from the report. Okay, so now you started to work with report 1. Okay, so one more report I'm going to target by today. Okay, so first point again. Um, I'll just open one of the files. Okay, I will log into Ankita's profile. Okay, fine. So I logged in one of your account. Okay, so now I need to prepare the second report. Okay, so second activity report I want to create. Okay, so I'll click on this continue button. Fine. And once if you're done, and here, okay, so Ankita is completed that's day 1 activity report. It's submitted for what is that evaluation. Okay, that status. Okay, so still it is not happened. Okay, it is not verified. Okay, maybe from tomorrow your project mentor they will verify your report. Okay, your uploaded report. And in case, okay, if anything goes wrong, you will get your feedback over here from the bottom. Okay, as a faculty feedback you can able to see to that. Okay, right now the status is submitted for what is that evaluation. Okay, so from tomorrow you just take a look by around by evening 5 o'clock. see to that what is that status over here. Okay, so now I want to create report 2, that what day 2 activity report. So from here again I'll click this plus and I can able to go to the report, day 2 report, and same similar kind for all the activity I have that only one attempt. Okay, fine. And then the button, the launch button. Okay, I'll click on this launch button here. Okay, follow the same template what you done, right? So previously, so from here I can find that button, download button. Just click on this download. The template will be the same. Okay, it won't be any difference. You can also use that previous your report one. So just change some content, right? Okay, I'll click on this enable button. Now I need to type one of the candidate name over here. So for example, I can type, okay, fine. And then again, you can repeat your internship project topic over here, then name of the organization and name of the industry mentor, then name of the institute. Okay, so fill that same format what we discussed from previous sessions. Okay, and then date. So today is that day 2 activity. So I can able to make it mark 2, and then the date I can mention 6/9/2022, and then number of hours I'm going to spend for some small research. Okay, so here I'll minimize this document. I'll close off that, or I can take into that okay, so now from here, from the left hand side, you can able to see to that project reference material. So click on this project reference material over here, and then for this task number 2, okay, sorry, for that report number 2, and I'm going to work with this website www.td.org. Okay, you can target this website. So any document activities done during the day, I just give that word reference URL link. So that website is www.td.org. Okay, right? So once if I'm done, I'm going to do that research www.td.org. Okay, same similar kind of format. Okay, so go to this particular website. Okay, right? Associations for talent development. So go to this website and see to that, okay, what you can understand from this website, some online research. Okay, got it clear? And then if you can able to find any images, for example, this image you can able to find 3 ways to be a great client when working with a coach. Okay, right? So for example, this is the topic which I'm going to select the topic and go through this a few instructions or a few paragraphs and write it by own words. Okay, and then for this particular paragraph, this images get matched. Okay, for that moment I can able to take this image. You can also implement image, no issues. Okay, right? Sorry, I've taken this URL. I need to take copy image. Okay, I taken this copy of the image. I can able to make it paste, and you can able to describe something about this particular website. Okay, so www.td.org and make some 15, so 10 to 15 paragraphs. Okay, right? So it should be like your own words, and then save this file, and same similar kind you can able to share through my email or WhatsApp. Okay, again if I say okay, you just go to that portal and upload it. Okay, right, guys? I think you can understand, right? The same format for that activity 1 you need to repeat, and here you can able to find that word. You just make it scroll down, right? Here in mobile interface, sometimes it goes wrong. Okay, right? So even if you select that file also, sometimes it won't be gets select. Okay, it won't be get upload. Okay, so use laptop or use PC and select your document file and click submit button. Okay, that moment, okay, you can able to get that word, what is it, submitted for evaluations. Okay, you need to wait for 1 day or 2 days. Okay, as make sure this every intent from here who are the people are completed 4 tasks, okay, or 6 tasks. I want more than 4. Okay, particular, right? I want more than 4. I hope Malin, you need to achieve this. What is it? Still 2 more tasks is there. Make sure. And reminding people who are completed 4 tasks, please complete up to that report 2. So just you can able to go for what is that today? Yes, yes. Yeah, 1 second. Let me 1 second. 1 second. I'm getting a response. Yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, you completed. 1 second. I forgot. Okay. And then some of you people's also I got. Right. Have you uploaded that file? For this article works, you need to supposed to work for report 10. Yes, yes, fine. Good. Okay, right. And then how many articles I want to supposed to cover? Okay, right. Okay, 1 second. Let me update. Yeah, fine. But anything else is here? Any pending I need to update? Right. So here that just for online research article works. So total 10 I need to work. Okay, what is that? Right? So just I will take for 10 minutes. Okay, right. So don't take what is that? Making this report for very important. Okay, so this is just for 1 mark report. Okay, right. So for this task is very important. Make sure this you are 100%. Okay, so for that, what is it? Article research, you just sit for 10 to 15 minutes, go to that website and just do one small research and write some 10 to 15 lines. That's all. Okay, I can complete within 10 minutes, right? So after that, you can able to target your what is that task. Okay, so make sure this. I don't want any pending of this remaining 4 people. Yeah, Streya. Okay, so let me. Yeah, fine. Good. Guys, just take a look from today. Okay, just 2 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, guys, we'll continue now. Okay, from here, what is that? What I said. Okay, so only the people who completed this task 4. Okay, you can should end this report 2. Okay, report 1 and 2. It should be end. Okay, from today on. From today it should be end. Okay, right? And then you just only get target. And from here, Lakshmi, you just work for, only for the report 1, right? So not for report 2. But here, so you have still 3 and 4 is pending. Okay, guys, let's start task number 7. Okay, is it clear, right? Any doubts over here? Yeah. Shall we go for the next task? Guys, I'm audible now. Shall we go for the next task number 7? Yeah, fine. Okay, so let me present one data. Okay, so here, just take a look. There is that one business logic. Okay, got it here, right? There is one business logic over here. From the left hand side, I have some column plan. Okay, right? So I have that one column over here, plan and amount and then date. Okay, got it here, right? So what is that plan? Okay, the plan means first I'm going to purchase one land, you think. Okay, got it clear, right? So that land I'm going to purchase for, what is it, 6,50,000, right? I'm going to purchase the land and this particular date. Okay, so when I purchased, in the sense 5/5/2018, I purchased the land. Okay, and second plan is, okay, I'm purchasing that EB. Okay, right? Electricity. Okay, right? I'm purchasing that EB for 8,000. Okay, right? And for this, I'm done in that particular date of 5/5/2019. Okay, in this particular date, I'm done this. And then next plan is constructions work. Okay, I'm going to start my constructions. Right? So that it will takes for 7 lakh. This particular work is done under 1/1/2020. Right? So this particular date it is done. And then second, next plan is interior work. This interior work is done 3,50,000. Okay, it is done in that 2021. Okay, and then the product. Okay, got it clear, right? So interior work is done, and then I'm going to purchase some product. Okay, for my company, right? So that will takes what is that, 55,000. So first I'm done for 10/2/2021. Some random dates. Okay, got it clear, right? So I'm going to start one business. The total investment which I'm done. Okay, right? So here you can able to see that 17,63,000. Okay, right? It is happened. Okay, now after when I done this capital, okay, the capital means the entire investment. Now the guys here you can able to see that break even, right? That is a word. Okay, right? After when I started my work, okay, I need to get 1 rupee extra. That means a profit. Okay, so that moment my business is, what is that, win, right? So if I'm getting less 1 rupee, okay, right, from my capital, just for assumption, right? So that moment when I get 1 rupee less, it goes loss. Correct? Clear? Okay, just hold on, right? Hello, guys, I'm audible now? Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Okay, so here I'm going to enter one value. What is it? 1000. If I'm getting that same value, okay, so that time I can able to suppose to get that word can be called as what is it? Break even point. Okay, what is yeah, that is correct. Break even. Okay, simple the word. Okay, what is it? Break even. This one, break even. Okay, break even point. Okay, if I'm getting 999, so that time my business is loss. Okay, if I'm getting 1 rupee extra, I can able to call my business as sorry, what is it? Profit. Right? Clear. So based on this one small task, so if I'm going to, I'll remove 10. Okay, got it clear, right? I remove that 10 over here. So 1,76,300. So that moment you can see to the changes how it is going to get happen. Okay, my business is loss. So immediately from the loss, I'll get that word as what is it? I don't want to show that formula. So just you can see that the status will go for loss. And the next win or loss. Okay, right? So -1 means it's win. That's all. -1 means I lost. +1. Okay, right? So that moment you can see to that I'm going to add one more zero, break even point. Okay, particular, right? So when I will get that break even if you have profit also, you will have that word profit in green. Okay, and if I put 0, break even the name I need to suppose to get, and then from here if I remove 10 over here, and you can able to see the changes for the status is loss, and then the win or loss is -1. Okay, particular, right? And chart will goes in that color of red. Okay, particular, right? This is what your task, right? So for that, what I need to write? I need to write if condition. Okay, clear, right? So I need to get that what is it if conditions, and I need to add all that my capitals by using one of the built-in functions can be called as sum functions. Okay, and then the value. Okay, so this is a just entry box. Okay, that in that box I'm going to enter the data. Okay, but clear. After entering the data, I need to see that my status. Okay, got it clear, right? So my status is it should be loss, or my status it should be a profit, and status maybe a break even, right? So for that you have to suppose to build using if conditions. Okay, got it clear, right? And let's see who can complete this task, and then here it should comes win or loss as 1. Okay, I don't want to show the formula over here. Okay, so win means I'll get 1, the loss I can able to get -1. Okay, and after you can able to find that there is some charts is available right from here, and in case if you can't able to find, you can go to that insert tab, and there you can able to find that option win or loss. Okay, from there you can able to find. Okay, the word is what is it? Win. Okay, got it here. And then the one more word is what is it? Loss. So how it will happen based on that value, the based on this value, if it is 1, you can able to get green color. If it is -1, you will get that red color. Okay, got it clear? So guys, you can also use some YouTube reference also, no issues. Okay, you can just type how to create win or loss using Excel. Okay, right? So this you have to search lot. Okay, right? So that moment you need to get that formula, how to write the formula and how to complete the task. Okay, right? So this internship is there, right? It's a work. Okay, particular, right? It's a work. Now I'm assigned this task, and even some few more days what I'm done, I teach that line by line regarding about that formula and how to write the formula and how to get. So now you have that confident level, right? So if you write the formula, what is happening and what changes is happening in my Excel sheets. Okay, right? And if I want to find some value, I can able to understand. So these are the real time. So when I'm using one small business every day, okay, right, every day I'm starting some investment. Okay, right, so every day we are starting some investment and we are starting work, and sometimes I never used to get that outcome some days. Okay, even I can also find out in that entire month, okay, right, in the entire month, how many number of days I have the good profit, how many number of days I lost my business. Okay, so based on that idea, I can able to go for the next level. Yeah. So one second, let me check your chat window. So only for win you can able to go for 1, and loss it will be generated as -1. Okay, for break even it doesn't contains any value. Okay, right, so not required for 0, because here, just a second, and let me show you one thing. Here, just see to that in the cell I have 1. Okay, in the cell I have a 1, and there is a, what is the right, what is it, win or loss. Now selecting this cell, including this cell, I'm going to click this, what is it, win or loss. Okay, right, particular, right. So then I'm going to, so here it is telling that where you want to go for that spark line to be placed. So now here I'll select this cell, the cell contains number 1, right. I'll click this win loss, and then the location range where I want that spark, I want the spark from this location, and I'll click OK button. Here you can able to see that some blue color line is happened, right. I can change the color, sparkling color. So what is my sparkling color? It is 1, right? And I'm going to change it into the green. And here, and I'm going to give that -1. Okay, right? So automatically it will go to that down, right? If you put 1, it will rise as above as green. If I put -1, it will goes down. Okay, got it clear? So for 0, it doesn't contains any value because that chart doesn't contain. So that presentation, okay, got it clear, right? From here, this win or loss doesn't contains it. Okay, so once if you are writing this chart window, you can use that option win or loss. For this status is there. No, I just open. For this status, you need to write that color. Okay, I told you, right, for the conditional formatting, if that particular word, okay, in that conditional formatting, you can able to go and work with this. Highlight cell rules, text that contains. If that word is matched with profit, you can give green. If the word is matched with loss, you can able to make mark as red. If the particular word is marked with break even, you can choose green color. Okay, so that 3 words you can format by using that conditional formatting over here. Okay, got it clear, guys? You understand that your task? Okay, and if you want, you just now only I'll send that video reference. Okay, so try to complete this the task, and I am really appreciate some people who completed your entire task. Okay, but okay, I really appreciate your work, and you need to concentrate more. One more thing, it is your report. Okay, and still that pending works and all, you just complete all the things. Okay, guys, is it clear? Any doubts over here? Any doubts, or shall I want to repeat one more time regarding about the task?
So can we take any values for these land and all?
No issues. You can take any values. Just for random, I'm just given that input. Okay. For example, I'll give, what is it, 1,000, and then 2,000 something. I'll type here. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now the total my investment is 15,000. Okay, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter some value, same 15,000 which I get, I'll get break even. Okay. So if I'm get 1 rupee extra, so I can able to get what is it, profit. Okay. Now if I'm going, I got only 1,500, you think. So my business is lost. That's okay. This is just for your reference.
So
Is
in
it
the
clear?
chart cell, yeah,
Ah,
in the chart cell, the bar that you get, how do you get that? I mean,
okay.
it's
So
just
yeah, I will repeat again one time. Okay, so
okay.
can you take that win or loss, right? So I can able to go for win or loss section. So okay, so here I'm going to have 1. You think, okay, so that 1 and -1 you need to write a formula. Okay, right? So here I'll place a cursor. Now I need to go to that insert, Again, I'll click that range. Okay, right? So once if I click that, that cursor should be there in that cell. Click on this win or loss. That moment the data ranges will be selected. That's a data range. And that location range is there, right? So that it's that my chart section. So I can able to place my chart and I'll click OK. So if it is 1, you can able to see that I'm get some color. Okay, is the default this the sparkline style format. Okay, right? So what I want green or red. So now I'll get green. You can also choose this marker. Okay, so now if it is -1, it will goes down. If it is +1, it will go top. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, fine. This win or loss, this one has to come. Okay, right? How? So you don't enter that value directly. Okay, right? It is automatically. You see that I'm not entered that value. Automatically, it is changing that value here. Okay, I'm going to give that. What is it? 0, 1. You see that in that win or loss, that -1 or +1, automatically it will change. I'm not entering any value. I'm changing only my value section. Guys, is it clear? Okay, so that loss, okay, profit, and then break even, and then that -1, and then the color, right? So how to change? So that you need to make a target. Guys, any doubts here now? Is it clear, right?
One row,
Uh-huh.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
So one row is enough, or are we expected to do more rows
No,
to show
is
profit?
one is enough. Just this is a plan. Okay, right. So if you can able to work with this one row, automatically people can able to make it drag and drop, right? So just only single row is enough. Okay, you just put one. What is it? Your company name. Okay, for example, your company is XYZ Private Limited. Okay, so for your company, you purchased something. Okay, right. So all the things you can able to make it mark. Okay, one row is enough. Okay, I don't want that much of more information. This one simple design format, and you have to supposed to know that how you can able to make it complete the task, right? Is it clear? Guys, any doubts? Shall I end the session now today? Is it clear? Any more doubts?
So this is task 7, right?
Yes, yeah, exactly. This is task 7.
Okay.
Okay, so here, okay, I made it the column. Okay, so this is a task 7, and again I'm just repeating the people who completed all the task 6. Okay, work up to report 1 and report 2. That means two URL link which I provided. Okay, based on that you can do one small research and complete it off. And then the people who completed task 1 and what is it, 1, 2, you work only for one report. Okay, and guys, if you completed 4 tasks also, you can start work with this, not for up to 6. Okay, right? And up to 6 records, 6 tasks if you completed, go for that next one. Okay, right? Report 2. And this what is that, this task, try to complete by today. Okay, so that moment I'm just reporting this entire sheets to your project mentor. Okay, so this sheets I need to report. Okay, got it clear, right? So for that moment they can monitor that the people who completing that task from every day. Okay, right? So today I'm going to report this one. Okay, so this 4 people is done. So this file I'll attach to your project mentor mail. Okay, they will see to that and they will report why this particular student intent is not work, what's the reason. So I need to know about, I don't know what about that Vaishnav is not working. Okay, right? So I'll contact your coordinator. So I'll just get that information why some 4 people is not working in this internship. Okay. Again, you need to understand, guys. So this is not class. For a few days, what I'm done, we work under the class sections. Okay, right? So I teach and I worked here. this is work. So you want to get that whether you can able to understand the real time examples when I go for job. Okay, fine. Guys, is it clear? Any doubts? Right? Shall I end the session now? Okay, fine, good, good. Okay, guys, all the best. Just start work with this. Okay, all the tasks and then report activity, and keep on. You can put message in group also. Okay, in case sometimes personally if you send, okay, I couldn't able. Sometimes if I not see, you just put in group. Okay, right, sir, I completed this task. Can you please verify? So immediately I'll get into that actions. Okay, fine, right. Okay, guys, I'll end off the session. From tomorrow we'll connect again. Bye.